Hey, let's play pickleball. So the VINSGUIR Pickleball set comes with 4 paddles, 4 balls, and a portable carry bag. Okay, let's look at one of the paddles. It's got this design with grooves that makes it an ergonomic handle for non-slip, comfortable grip. Okay, well, let's turn the paddle to the side and you're going to notice this long black edge. And this is a strong edge guard that was added to it to make it more durable. The front part is made with high quality fiberglass to give you stability and control during your games. Okay, let's see some action.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And here we have the pickleball paddle set by VINSGUIR. 4 paddles, 1 carry bag, and 4 balls. A set you can use during the day and a set for the nights. Well, this was my first time playing and it was fun. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to pack everything back into the portable bag. Okay, now that it's all in, let's zip up the bag and let's get ready to go. Pickleball, ideal for all levels, ranging from beginners to professionals.